In this video, we'll be talking about bonus shares, the 5 shares that has their ex-bonus dates on July and August 2021, and also we'll be talking about stock split. Stay till the end of the video because this might be a very good investment opportunity for all of you. And yes, welcome back to Moneyverse everyone. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. We will be coming up with so many amazing videos in the future. Yes. A bonus share is a free additional share offered to shareholders as a token of appreciation, and bonus shares are distributed in proportion to the number of shares held by an investor. Okay, so when a firm offers 1:5 bonus shares, for example, it means that for every 5 shares that is held by an investor, he or she gets 1 extra share as a bonus. As a result, if an investor owns 100 shares at the time of the bonus, his or her holdings will increase to 120 shares. As a result, the share price will drop by 50% in a 1:1 bonus issue. Investors, on the other hand, tend to benefit in the long run when the stock price increases. The distribution of bonus shares is tax free. Bonus shares have the same rights and protections as regular equity shares. The main difference between existing equity shares and bonus shares is that equity shares are provided in exchange for monetary consideration, but bonus shares are issued without charge, thus the word bonus. If the share price will drop by 50%, the market cap of the company or the total value of the portfolio of that investor will stay the same and only the share value will decrease. But again, if that particular investor is keeping that share for a longer period, when the price increases, he or she will definitely benefit from that, because yes, going forward you will get to know why is that. Okay, and now we'll talk about the two terms, that is ex-bonus date and the record date. In ex-bonus date, the ex date is usually set 1 business day prior to the record date, as we follow trading plus 2 days as our trading cycle. And also record date, the record date is a date set by a company under which the investor must own shares by the date so that he or she will be eligible for bonus announced by the company. Yes, this is all about bonus shares and the ex-bonus and record date. Now let's go and see what is a stock split. A stock split occurs when a publicly traded business divides its outstanding shares into more shares. During a stock split, the company's market cap, yes, as I said before, during a stock split, the company's market cap and the value of each shareholder's investment remains unchanged, but the value of each share is reduced as the number of shares increases. A stock split is used to attract new investors and raise market capitalization over the medium to long term. A stock split is seen by many investors as a sign that a firm is doing well. Therefore, the stock value rises as a result of investor excitement. The splits are generally announced after a protracted run-up in the company's share. The primary motivation is to lower the share price to make it more accessible to regular investors and so expand the investor base. As the quantity of shares in the market grows, it also improves liquidity, and high liquidity results in an efficient market with a narrow bid-ask spread. When this stock split happens, the value of the share decreases, thus more and more people can invest in the company. So I'll take an example. MRF is currently trading between 80,000 and 90,000 rupees. So for a common person, for a person with a 50,000 or 20,000 rupees capital, he cannot buy or sell MRF shares. Most of the investors are waiting for a news that has been heard vaguely that the stock split is coming in MRF. So most of the people are waiting for that. So taking that as an example, now let's move on to see the 5 companies that has announced their ex-bonus dates on July and August 2021. The first stock is Redington, and the bonus ratio is 1:1. When the announcement date was on 7th July 2021, the record date is on 28/2001, and the ex-bonus date is on 18/8/2021. Now let's go to ticker type and see what is Redington about. Now in this video, we'll be having a comparison, like we'll see the stock rise or fall in the past 1 year. So we'll be taking the chart of 1 year. As you can see here, the high in the last 1 year is 358 rupees and the low is 85.55 rupees. So the returns is 250.83%. Looking into the checklist, we can see that current price is less than the intrinsic value. Yes, apart from the ASM list, everything is positive about this stock in ticker tape. Looking into the basics of this company, Redington Limited operates in the information technology product distribution business, supply chain solutions and after sales services of information technology products. So this is the right entry point for Redington, is what ticker tape says. From ticker tape, you can read about the financials, news, events and all kinds of things. tips from Ticker Tape. So just go to Ticker Tape and understand the fundamentals more with the financial figures. Now let's look into the second stock. The second stock is Dhunseri Tea. They provide 1:2 bonus share. So the record date is on 6th August 2021 and the ex-bonus date is on 5th August 2021. So 1:2 bonus share means if you have 2 shares as your holding, then you will get one share as a bonus. So that is 1:2 ratio, and that is how it works. Looking into Dhunseri Tea and Industries Limited, in the past 1 year, it has given a 188% returns. So the high in the last 1 year was 599 rupees, while the low was 165 rupees. And also, as per Ticker Tape, they say that it is a good time to consider to enter in this particular stock. Dhunseri Tea and Industries Limited's principal business activities include growing of tea, manufacture of tea, and tea processing and blending. The company is engaged in the integrated process of harvesting and sale of loose and packed tea is what we can read from here. Now looking at the third stock. It's Tide Water Oil, and the bonus ratio is 1:1. The record date is on 27th July 2021 and the ex-bonus date is on 26th July 2021. Tide Water Oil Company Limited manufactures and sells Vedol lubricating oil, which finds applications in automotive and industrial segments. Looking into the past 1 year, the low was 4,125 in the past 1 year and the high is 18,443, which is almost 277.21% returns in the past 1 year. In the last 1 week, it was in the upper circuit, and in the past 2 days, it has taken the lower circuit. Today, that is 16/7/2021, in the first half of the market, this particular stock had volume, right? And again, it went to the upper circuit. Now let's look into the fourth stock, that is Tian Consumer. So the bonus ratio is 59:100. That means if you have 100 shares, you will be having or you will be getting 59 shares as a bonus. The record date is on 22nd July 2021 and the ex-bonus date is on 20th July 2021. Yes, looking into that, Tian Consumer Limited, it has also given a growth of about 70.90% in the past 1 year. Looking into the high of the 1 year, it is 67.25 rupees and the low is 21 rupees is what we can see. Yes, the company profile. Tian Ayurvedic and Herbs Limited is an Indian-based company and it provides Ayurvedic and herbs products. Yes, there is no red flags. The entry point is also right. And yes, now let's look into the fifth stock. The fifth stock is Sadhana Nitro, which provides 2:5 bonus ratio. That means if you have 5 shares with you, you will be getting 2 shares as a bonus. Then the record date is on 21st July 2021 and the ex-bonus date is on 19th July 2021. Looking into the fundamentals of the company, yes, this is also a stock in the ASM list. The high in the past 1 year is 74.75 rupees and the low is 18.05 rupees. And the returns, whenever you think about a stock, you should think about the returns in percentages. So looking into the percentage, this company has given a massive 233% jump in 1 year. Looking into the investment checklist, you can see that this was the right time to enter into the stocks, and also return versus FT rates, this is also shown positive. Looking into the company profile, Sadhana Nitrochemical Limited is engaged in the manufacturing of chemical intermediates, heavy organic chemicals and performance chemicals such as meta-aminophenol and nitrobenzene. By seeing this, we have talked about bonus shares, stock split and the 5 stocks which has their record dates or ex-bonus dates in July and August 2021. I hope you all got a very good idea about what these terms are, and yes, thanks for watching the whole video. And also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. We will be coming up with so many amazing crypto, stock market and learning content. Yes, again, thanks for watching. Bye.